Wire stripper strips 8 to 18 AWG Solid and 10 to 20 AWG Stranded wire. Large knurled plier tip pulls and twists wire. Shear cutting knives for easier cutting of copper wire and larger materials such as Romex cable, all sizes, and other non-metallic, type NM, sheathed cable. Screw shearing for 6 to 32 and 8 to 32 screws and wire looping hole. Made in USA. Klein-Kurve comfort grip handles for reduced hand fatigue. Hot riveted joint prevents wobble and separation of the blades over time. These forged, heavy-duty wire strippers have shear-cutting knives for a lower force to cut copper wire and larger cable such as Romex and other non-metallic, type NM, cable. Updated design features 6 stripping holes for 8 to 18 AWG Solid and 10 to 20 AWG Stranded wire. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. As usual, another great good product from a good company. I would recommend.